All right, Neville Goddard, day two. Day two of the proof of whether or not we can actually climb a ladder or convince ourselves, I will not climb a ladder, yet find ourselves on one. We don't know. This is only day two. We're going to build the scene. Tonight, we want to begin with the imaginal act. So it's not visualization like a movie. You're not watching yourself climbing the ladder over there. You're not seeing yourself from the side, so do not do that. That's not what you're doing here. All day long, the first day yesterday, you saw these Post-its, I will not climb a ladder. You have to do this part. If you do not do this part, you're not working with the consciousness of this idea, I will not climb a ladder. Because what we're going to introduce now is the unconscious attitude of climbing the ladder. Consciously all day, I will not climb a ladder. You see it at least 3 times. You see it morning, noon, and night. You see it on that Post-it in your wallet, in your purse. You see it on the steering wheel. You see it on the mirror when you're getting ready. However you want to see it. Now tonight, again, not like a movie, but you're going to watch yourself climb this ladder. You're going to, while you're laying down, this is again, day 2, this is the instruction, lay in bed like you don't normally lay. Now, for me, that would be on my elbows on my belly. I don't ever fall asleep like that. So if I can give myself some time before, sometimes I'll go on my side to fall asleep, or I'll go to the other side to fall asleep, but I always end up on my back, typically. So this, for my type of sleeping style, would be to get on my elbows, and as I'm getting drowsy, keep in mind that I'm about to climb a ladder. Now, what that means is my eyes are closed, and I'm imagining first person, so I can see my arms and I can see my legs. I first grab the rails. I put my right foot up or left, doesn't matter. Put a foot up on the first rung, grabbing the rails. Now I bring myself up. Now both feet are on there. Now I'm just going to alternate for the fun of it. I'm going to take my left foot as I put my hands higher and put my left foot on the second rung, and then pull myself up to that one. Now my right foot is up there, so now I'm at a higher position on the ladder. All we need to do is imagine these 2 rungs. We're not trying to climb anywhere. We're just trying to climb the ladder. We go up 1 rung. Okay, we get right there. We get our hands up here. We got 1 rung up. Now our hands are a little lower. Now our second foot's up there. Then we raise an arm. Get the other arm a little higher and get the next foot on the next rung. Now you're up there. Repeat. Now you're still laying down like this. You're in the idea, in the imagination, climbing that ladder. You get up 1 or 2 rungs, 3 rungs at the most, go back to the bottom. If you want to climb back down the ladder, go ahead and climb back down. And get back on the bottom, on the ground, wherever you are. Get a foot up and repeat it. Loop this. Now what you're doing, because your eyes are closed and you're not falling asleep, you're going to try and want to loop this until you fall asleep. I recommend doing this at least 2 or 3 times in a row. Then go to your normal sleeping position and try and continuously repeat. Now, other thoughts are going to want to come in and invade like they normally do. Let them. But if you can control, get back to the bottom of the ladder and go again. Just climb again and just climb again, and then go back down and climb again. Now, do this is what you're doing when you're unconscious as you're falling asleep. That's it. It's very, very simple. No drama, no force. Don't just do during the day and as you're falling asleep. It's that simple. This is the end of day 2. We're going to see you in the next one at the beginning of day 3, which will be for tomorrow morning for you.